I just want to show y'all guys how to put the the LWQ electric pressure washer together, just in case if you don't know how. I'm gonna try to put it together myself, so let's get started. I just by looking at this, you know it's the handle, and as you can see, it looks like a slide in. So these are your slide ins. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it in as so. It comes with some screws. So I see that they're going to be screwed in. This is another piece. So I am thinking. Okay, it looks like it goes like that, and I can screw this in as well. It comes with the screws, so let's start screwing them in. Alright, so they all look like they're about the same size. You already did it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And I got my screwdriver right here.
What's that sound?
And I'm just screwing them in there.
Is there a way in there?
Not all the way.
Oh, jeez. Think it needs to be broke.
No, that right. All right, Sarah. There's one screw in one of them.
And now we need
I'm about to do the second one.
This gonna take for a while.
Okay, so that's the second one.
Well, you can't do it yet faster.
We're on the third one.
Well, I do like it. It looks cool. I know it's not, but wait.
And here's the fourth one.
I think.
Oops. Thank you, Miracle.
That scares me.
And the fourth one going in.
Why you have to scare your own daughter?
All right, so we got that. So we got all four of them in as of right now. Okay, and there's four more. So then you're going to screw in the screws in here.
Or are we not push this along? Hold up.
Yeah. And I think there's these screws too. So
it's probably powerful. It's probably so powerful it can actually make your house go on. That's why it's named power washer.
hold on.
Oh dang, Mom!
Sorry.
Gee.
I gotta make sure that it screws in. So you just want to make sure it's all the way back when you start screwing the screw inside. And once you start, you can feel it tightening in there.
I'll be right back.
And there we go. I lost another one. But I think once you get the one side done, now when you do it, it is going to go all the way in there. You see how much my screwdriver is going in there? It is like a little in debt. So.
Mom, I get
But
so scared.
there,
I
that
get
one's in there.
scared. I get so scared. Bro.
I know. I have the words. Like I keep dropping these.
Bro.
I know, right?
Bro.
But yeah, so you're gonna do all 4 of them as well. So the package that got all the items like that, you're going to take them out.
Don't drop nothing.
And there should be, okay.
I think you should be put those on.
Let me see. I think this one might go on this side. Hold on. Or maybe this side.
Mom.
Yeah, it looks like it might go on this side.
Mom. I think he's like doing it wrong.
And I think this one go on this side.
Please, Mom.
Okay.
You have to
And then these go on the back like so. Let me see.
Mom, why don't
They go on the back like this, but these have to be screwed in. By the way, you have to screw these in, and once you put them on here like that, you screw them in. So I'm going to go ahead and screw them in.
I would.
Well, my helper, my daughter, she's gonna hold it. Is it in the hole?
No.
There we go.
Okay, now it's in the hole.
I can get it to stop moving.
I hope it's hit on. Not trying to lose food. Please, oh shoot.
Okay, so that one is in.
The other one is.
It's kind of hard to see. All right. So then I gotta put one in there.
No, Mom, this is so easy. What am I doing this? You can't even see me, Mom. Can you see it, Mom?
Yeah. Screwing it in.
Look like you got break the day.
No, it's not gonna break. All right, so I got one of them in, and here's the second one, and I'm about to screw that one in as well. Your last item to screw is this one, and it's going to go right here, and you're going to screw both of them in. Okay, that is done. Now make sure all of your screws, which is 4 right here, you have 2 up here, 2 right here, 2 here, and 2 here. All of them are nice, secure, and tight. That way, there's no loose fitting in there. But that is how you, and then it's complete. That is how you put your LWQ electric pressure washer together. Thanks for watching. Thanks for, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit that like button and more.
And enjoy using your Wishcombing.
Yeah.
These is what you want to put to hold up your items.
Yeah.
Your accessories from the actual electric pressure washer.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.